Hi, baby. You want to practice some animal sounds with me? Alrighty, we're gonna do a chicken. Do you know what sound a chicken makes? They go cluck, cluck. Can you say it with me? Cluck, cluck. Good job. Let's see what other animals we have. What animal is this? That's right, it's a sheep. What sound does a sheep make? Baa. That's right. Baa. Can you say baa with me? Baa. Good job. What other animal sounds can we make? Let's see. We have a cow. Do you know what sound a cow makes? Moo. A cow goes moo. Good job. We also have a horse. Do you know what sound a horse makes? Neigh, neigh. That's right. The horse goes neigh. Good job. We have a frog. What sound does a frog make? The frog goes ribbit, ribbit. Can you say ribbit, ribbit? Good job. It's a tiger. What sound does a tiger make? Tigers go roar. Can you say roar? Good job, baby. It's a pig. Do you know what sound a pig makes? Oink, oink. The pig goes oink, oink.